guys, welcome back to another episode of To Go To, and today we are at the Touch of Style, where you are bound to get not just amazing sunglasses but classy designs. Sunglasses are part of fashion accessory, and other than that, the most important thing is that they protect your eyes from the sun's ultraviolet rays. Now, as part of fashion accessory, you need to ensure that you get glasses that fit perfectly with the shape of your face.
Don't want to mislead, this is all you need. Be your everything, yeah, I'll be your everything. Still too soon to feel, please just say it's real. More than just a thrill, not just in it for the thrill. I'm in it for the love.
Well, apart from the designs, when a customer comes, when a client comes to buy one, how do you guide them through the process of selecting the right type of glass?
Actually, most of our customers are normally confused. For example, a customer comes, he or she has seen someone wearing a specific glass, so she comes to the mind, I want this. But sometimes you find the glass that she wants doesn't go with the kind of a face she has.
That's true.
So we show the customer different designs that we have. Then we tell her, can you pick? We also have a mirror because you look at yourself before putting on the glass. That is how we get them. But we normally make sure that our customers get the best thing for their faces.
I'm in it for the love. I'm in it for the love.
Besides sunglasses, we have different things at Touch of Styles. We have watches, which goes at different prices. We have shoes, we have wigs, makeup, we have designers' clothes, because the CEO of Touch of Style also is a designer. So you can come to Touch of Style, get yourself anything that you want, anything which goes with fashion, you'll find it at Touch of Style. Karibu.
I'm in it for the love.